everyone, today I'm here with this brand new 2018 Ram 1500, and if you're looking for that perfect work truck, then this could be it. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Leesama, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. It does have kind of a two-tone effect going on with that white and black on your front bumper. So you have that blacked out grille, chrome badge with your Ram head on it, and then you have front with bumper. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch wheels, and you have your Ram 1500 badging on the side there, and your side mirrors are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray vinyl seats, super comfortable. You have that kind of stripe pattern in the middle, and then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls all on the front. And then over to your LCD media center, you have your radio options here. You can connect a media device, or you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls right there. And then you have all of your buttons for your presets and everything, all of your radio controls. And then you have your climate controls below that, tow haul mode, traction control, and your four-wheel drive transfer case with 12 volt on the side and a USB port on the other. And that drawer pops up there. You have 3 cup holders here. This opens up and there's a media hub with 2 USB ports and an aux port, so plenty of charging spots inside of this truck. And then this does fold up to give you a third person seating in the front, so it seats 6 people total. So let's look at those back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. What?
I was joking. There's not that much room, but there is. I'm sorry. I won't do that.
There's 3 seatbelts. There's room for 3 passengers.
I know. Just give me static. I'm sorry.
Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. It is a bench seat, so you can easily fold this up. You have some storage space underneath, and you have 2 cup holders in the back there. Making your way around the side, this is a short bed. You have your LED tail lamps back there and your 4x4 badging, along with your tow package, and your hookups are right there. So looking into your bed, you have 4 tie-down hooks on the sides, and overall this could be a great work truck, family truck, whatever. If you want to see it or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.